right. So अब मैं introduce कराऊंगी with a guest on set, Insia Sohail. Welcome to the show.
Welcome.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Raja, how are you doing?
Good, good, good. You know, I was just telling everybody as well कि ईद आने वाली है and how difficult it is for women to pick out an outfit. भी कितना crucial decision होता है औरतों के लिए. They really don't know what they want to wear. Because you know, I feel कि market में कितनी चीजें हैं. And Insia, you know, talking about your journey as well, you started from computer science and then you transitioned into fashion. How does that happen?
Okay, so I think when I finished my studies, I don't think so I had a temperament to do a 9-to-5 job, right? So I wanted to start something of my own.
Okay.
But I also got married at the same time. So then I got busy settling in my life, then I had my children. And then once I had both my children, I think that's when I joined my sister.
Acha.
Actually, उस वक्त she had just graduated from Indus Valley.
Oh, lovely.
We started this thing together.
अच्छा.
Then
So आपकी बहन आपके साथ काम करती है?
No, she moved out
She
of
moved
the country.
out?
She got married and she moved out. So I took
Okay.
over and then it's just been my journey.
Oh, how
So that's how
lovely.
it started.
So how many years has it been, Insia?
On and off, yeah, about say 12 years.
12
to
years?
13 years, yeah.
Wow, that's a long time. 12 years is
But
a
it's
long
been a
time.
slow progress because I was busy raising kids and all that.
Kids.
So in the past 5 years, I've kind of been
Picked up
able
things
to
again.
picked up and dedicated more time towards work and growth and all that.
ठीक है. And आपको लगता है कि आपकी fashion philosophy change हुई है from 12
Of
years
course,
ago?
yeah.
How has it changed? How has the world changed? Women's understanding changed? How do you?
The time when I started, उस ज़माने में we didn't require to do so many shoots. We didn't
Yeah.
require to keep creating so many things. It was
Yes.
less stress-free. You know, it's more more
Stressed
stressful right now.
Yeah,
Because you have to keep creating a lot of
Creating.
things. And
और market बहुत भरी हुई है.
market बढ़ गई है. And
Yeah.
things have changed. उस ज़माने में, the time when I started, it
Yeah.
was retail. Retail was just coming up.
Yeah.
It was still new.
Yeah.
And we used to do a lot of exhibitions. Exhibitions are still happening, but it's more online. Online it's a game changer.
Online really is a game
Yes,
changer.
it's a game changer.
It really is.
That's where my education has really played a big role also.
अच्छा तो computer science use होता है यहाँ पे?
Because,
कैसे?
you know, I was, when I graduated, my thesis was I had designed a website for a travel agent.
Oh.
And so eventually, eventually in 2015, I made my first website, you know, with the help of somebody.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I actually had a website in 2015.
How interesting. And उस ज़माने में 2015 में क्या लोग इस तरीके से?
It was young. E-commerce was young in Pakistan.
And young
still
in
coming
Pakistan.
up.
It's
yes.
still coming up.
Yeah.
But do you feel like as if 2015 में लोगों को इतनी knowledge थी, औरतों को इतना idea था that
yes, but I think उस ज़माने में they were not feeling so secure about shopping online. You know, having a platform where you could do credit card integration, it wasn't there that time.
there. Oh.
It came much later.
Yes, absolutely. Makes a lot of sense. अच्छा, and how do you stay updated with the latest fashion trends? Considering कि 12 साल पहले से लेके अभी तक, बीच में when you were raising kids, you got back into it. How do you think fashion change कैसे हुआ है?
Some things don't change. Some things remain because of our Eastern style and all that. Fashion, we do a lot of research, you know, online, and of course, there's so much of availability now. It's so easy to do the research.
Yeah.
There was a time when we used to go to these bookstores, get magazines, and that was our way of doing research. Now everything is online.
Of course.
So that is easier, and we have to follow the trends.
Trends, huh? So you
Like
do.
right now, what you're wearing is something which is very
so
much
let's talk
happening
about
right
the
now.
outfit I'm wearing as well. If you see कि ये बहुत modern है, it's a fusion, right? There's straight pants and there's a
Straight pants,
jacket.
short shirt, jacket style.
And you picked this color. So when you thought of me, you picked this color. Why? Do you usually help
it's part
style
of my
people?
collection, which I'm going to be introducing after Ramzan is over. And so we decided to do light colors because we are going towards summer.
Summer.
So this collection is based on pastel shades.
Pastel shades.
Yes.
And pastel shades औरतों को यहाँ usually पसंद आते हैं in Pakistan?
बहुत, because it's a hot city.
It's a hot city.
Pakistan में गर्मी ज़्यादा होती है.
ज़्यादा होती है. But you know, Insia, I've noticed, I mean, having worked at two really reputable companies as well before this, one was a retail and one was a fashion house. मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस की थी, pastel colors में औरतें अभी भी घबराती हैं lemon yellow and lilac पहनने से, because they feel like they look a bit savvy in it, or they feel like the complexion doesn't, you know, the color doesn't flatter their complexion. Do you feel like as if people pick up less yellows and purples?
Yes, but I tell my clients that don't restrict yourself with colors, because every complexion has a certain tone which will go on your skin. A certain yellow will go on your complexion, a certain lavender will go on your skin.
Yeah.
So you've got to pick up.
How do you pick that, Insia? If you had to guide our audience, तो आप किस तरीके से बता सकते हो कि अगर आप थोड़ा सा wheatish हैं तो आप कौन सा shade of purple पहने हैं, या अगर आप बहुत गोरे हैं तो you can perhaps wear lavender, you can carry a lavender.
So see, if you see anybody with a fair complexion, of course they can carry most of the colors, right? If you're wheatish, then there are certain color palette that you can, that's a mid-level color palette.
Okay.
Between the lighter and the darker tone to mid-level colors होते हैं. They go really well with a wheatish complexion. And even lighter does. Again, you have to pick up the right palette.
Yeah. And what about jewel tones?
Jewel look always colors. Nice. Yeah, you can never go wrong with jewel tones.
Jewel tones. And I think jewel tone look beautiful on women as well.
Anyone can wear it. Yes.
And dark and savli women look very attractive in.
And our Eastern clothes also look
Eastern clothes as well.